What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you an amazing card trick using the double back card. Let's do it. Alright, now check this out. We'll have a card selected at random. Let's just say this one. So it's the six of diamonds. We'll take it, and I'll leave it somewhere in the center of the deck, just like that. Now with just a special move like this, we'll see that one card is now face down where all the other cards are face up. And this is where it gets good, because if we take a look at this card, we'll see that it is your six of diamonds. Okay, now breaking this down, it's actually quite simple to do. Of course, you're going to need a double back card like I talked about in the intro. You could probably get this with like any illusionist deck you buy, or Theory 11 deck, or anything like that. So usually this comes standard with those kinds of decks. And if you don't have one of these, you don't have to worry about going and buying them. You could literally use sticky tape on double-sided tape to just put two cards together. The only downside is the card would be thicker, but it would still get the same effect across. Okay, so we start off with the double back card on top of the deck, and we have a spectator select a card at random. Let's just say they selected this card, and this card is the 10 of clubs. Now, while the spectator is picking out a card, let's say they picked out a card and I tell them to memorize it, I catch a break under the top card. Okay, and the top card, of course, is the double back card. So you give that to the spectator, let them look at the card, and while they're looking at the card, in this case 5 of hearts, while they're looking at the card, you grab a break under the top card. And from here, you take this card, you put it on top, face up. Okay, then you tell them, boom, there's that 5 of hearts. And now you're gonna grab the card from where your pinky break is, grab them, flip them both over. So now the 5 of hearts is actually the second card on the deck. Okay, and of course spectator is going to think it's the top card. Then you take the top card, which the spectator thinks is their card, and put it somewhere in the center of the deck. Okay, now once this happens, there are a couple of performances that you can do with this. You can say I'm doing a magic move, and do a very subtle cool wave or some kind of turn or something, or tell them to think of their card and flip it over in the deck. Imagine it flipped over in the deck. So anything of those sorts. Now once that's done, a few things about the reveal when you're showing that the card is face down somewhere in the deck. You do not want to reveal like this, because then the spectator could clearly see their card being flashed here. Of course, if you're better at spreading the cards, then of course you can hide this card here, but of course again you don't want to take the chance. So what I generally do is I go through this way and I show the spectator, there's a face down card, and I keep on spreading, but not all the way till the end, approximately this much. Then I pull this card out. I either put it down, keep it in my hand, and flip it. Well, of course that happens. So anyway, and flip the deck over. Then of course make sure you don't show this card to the spectator, because this is the double back card. Right, so when you pull it out of the deck, right, you show them like, oh, there's a face down card in the deck. Take it aside, flip the deck over, the card will fly this time, and you put it on top of the deck. And now, one thing I like to do when I get here, you're gonna have to grab a break under this card. So as I put this card down, I grab a break under the top card, take this, put it face down on top, right? Don't flip this card over because it's double back. And then you flip both the cards over, right? You grab under the pinky break, you flip both the cards over, and you show it's a 5 of hearts, and you could pretty much, come clean with the card, show them, let them handle the card, that it is one single card, the 5 of hearts. And that is pretty much it for the trick. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below for all my status updates, and I will see you in my next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.